Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business showroom visual confidence using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a showroom image captured with a wide lens. I stop for a second because showroom visuals directly influence business buying decisions. The space looks bigger, but the walls feel slightly bent. I duplicate the layer first to stay safe. I open Camera Raw filter and select adaptive wide angle. Slowly, I draw constraint lines along the main walls. I pause and let the correction happen naturally. I add another line along the floor edge to ground the image. I zoom in to inspect products and brand logos. Everything starts feeling stable. I slightly fine-tune the scale to keep